Dr. Swati Surerkar. I am a consultant breast surgeon in Ruby Hall Clinic. Today I am going to tell you about the breast cancer. So why do we need to know about the breast cancer? Because this is a month of October, which is observed as a breast cancer awareness month all over the world. And the incidence of breast cancer is rapidly rising all over the world and also in India. Breast cancer detected in early stage, it has got an excellent prognosis. However, if it is detected in a later stage, the treatment becomes complicated and the prognosis decreases. So there are 4 stages of breast cancer. Stage 1 and 2 are called early breast cancer. Stage 3 is called locally advanced breast cancer. And stage 4 is metastatic breast cancer. So stage 1 and 2, that is early breast cancer, the main treatment is surgery, that is operation. There are 2 important operations for breast cancer. It can be either mastectomy, that is removal of the breast, or breast conservation surgery, that is to save the breast. In many patients, most of the patients, we are able to preserve the breast by doing breast conservation surgery. It can be combined with other advanced surgeries like oncoplastic surgeries, chest wall perforated flaps, local flaps like LV flap, and there are also total breast reconstruction can be done nowadays after mastectomy. This is done with the help of microvascular plastic surgery called DIP flap. So surgery is the main treatment in early breast cancer. However, if it is stage 3, that is locally advanced breast cancer, then we need to give chemotherapy to the patient to decrease the size of the lump or size of the tumor so that it becomes operative, and then surgery can be done. Stage 4 is called metastatic breast cancer, where the cancer has spread to other parts of the body also. The mainstay of treatment in metastatic breast cancer is mainly systemic therapy, which includes chemotherapy, immunotherapy, many novel new drugs, targeted therapy, hormonal therapy, like that. So you can see if the breast cancer detected in early stage, it can be very much treatable and curable. So it has got excellent prognosis, and breast cancer can be detected at early stage with the help of screening mammography. So all the women about the age of 40 years, they should do screening mammography. Usually it is done, it is the X-ray of the breast. It detects breast cancer very much in early stage before it is palpable to the hand. So all the women, I will suggest them to do their screening mammography, breast self-examination or clinical breast examination, which will help them to detect the breast cancer at early stage. So that's it. This is in brief about the breast cancer. Thank you. Stay healthy. Take care.